Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can delete virus from your iPhone. You think your iPhone is slowing down due to some virus? I'll tell you step by step what to do. So let's get started. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on Safari and scroll down again. Now tap on clear history and website data. Safari history files are the most common area where you might have any kind of virus. It will delete history and with it any virus that is stuck. Virus mainly comes through web browsing, so it will be stored there. Now if you still think that there is virus in your iPhone, back up your iPhone and format it. It will clear everything with virus in it. To do that, go to iCloud and hit on backup. It will keep your data backed up and safe. When you're done, go to settings again. Tap on general. At the bottom you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then select erase all content and settings. This will format your phone and clear out the virus. Then you can load back your backup from iCloud. I hope this has helped you. If you know any other methods for clearing virus, mention in the comments. Thank you for watching.